Welcome to DigitalBix fashions. Blazers are becoming a popular pick for party goers who want to blend some laid-back vibes into their formal ensemble. If you are in search to explore our list of top 5 party wear blazers to solve the purpose. Number 1. Velvet Blazer. Velvet is probably the best fabric to make you look and feel regal. This maroon velvet blazer features a mandarin collar, 3 pockets, and a full button placket. Number 2. Double-breasted blazer. Overlapping front flaps of a double-breasted blazer can smarten up your look instantly. Get a class part in this wine-colored blazer with a label collar. Team this pick with matching bottoms for a formal evening with colleagues. Number 3. Bandigala Blazer. Usually designed for wedding and revelry, a traditional Bandigala blazer is a one that is buttoned up till your neck. This blazer features a mandarin collar and a full button placket. Combine it with black trousers to up your style statement. Number 4. Checkered Blazer. If you are a classic lover, then stride in this grey and brown checkered formal single-breasted blazer featuring a notched lapel collar. In this checkered blazer, you look awesome. Number 5. Floral Blazer. Floral designs add a color factor to your regular blazers. If you are the experimental one, pick the multicolored floral printed Bandigala Blazer. It features a mandarin collar and full button placket. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to DigitalBix Fashions.